So today I want to show you digital oscilloscope UTD2052CEX. It's a 50 MHz bandwidth, 1 gigasamples per second, with a quite huge 7 inches screen, 800 to 400 pixels. It can be connected to PC or flash disk, and this is what I found in the box. I already did unpacking on a Czech version of the video, so if you want to take a look at the whole process, but I think it's not necessary. We have two manuals, again English, Czech, software, power cord, USB cable, two probes and the oscilloscope. And we will take a closer look and turn it on. Okay, so first I want to show you how fast this starts, because it's very fast. And done, you see? I think it's quite good. You want to take a closer look at the probe. It has the nice hook, but you can of course remove it, and there you have a sharp pin. Grounding alligator, the 1 times 10 times switch, and on the other side you have a BNC connector. If you wonder how to compensate the probe, here is a small potentiometer inside the probe, which you can modify with this small screwdriver. Okay, so let's say I connect the probe to channel 1, and here we have a probe compensation signal, 3 volts, 1 kilohertz. The easiest way is to press auto. Oh, so we have the compensation is not okay, so let's take a look what to do. And that should be okay. So we have a channel 1, channel 2. We can do some math function in between those channels. We can add, subtract, multiply, divide. You can see I'm using a multifunctional knob, which you can also, let's say we are here, you can also press this knob to confirm the function. And regarding this math menu, you can also do fast Fourier transform here. Again, the screen is pretty big, so there is not much room to control panel, but on the positive note, therefore the control panel is pretty simple and easy to understand. It's pretty classic. Vertical move, scale, horizontal position. Here we have a trigger menu, and on the top we might change some parameters like brightness of the wave, type of display. There is also XY format, if you measure with both channels and want to do some frequency specific stuff. You can turn on the cursors, yes, like this, and comfortably read the values. So this is very handy. Here also you will see the frequency, period, and the other parameters. If you press measure, if you press acquire, you can change the sample mode, real time or equal time sampling. If you press storage, you can store basically the wave, that means the function of the wave, or your setup. And you can also save this as a print screen, as bitmap. Oscilloscopes also have self-calibration or self-adjustment. There is no signal on any inputs. Okay. Execute. It takes some time, but not too much. So here we have classical inputs, BNC connectors. There is another input for external trigger, compensation output, trigger menu, horizontal and vertical menu, channel 1, channel 2, mat function, menu buttons, multi-purpose knob. Oh, here is the print screen button, so you can save as bitmap if you put your flash drive here, or you can also through this connector connect to the computer. So calibration is reaching to the end. There we go. Let's fiddle a little bit more with this. You can change languages, but I really don't recommend to switch to Chinese, because then you need to find your way back. So this could be quite tricky. We have some color modes. That's a blue, red, something between blue and something, kind of hard to tell what exactly color this is, but not look very bad. I will keep this one. Grid brightness. I kind of like the way where the grid is almost gone. And here you see the version, production date, print screen finished. So this is it. UTD2025CEX, digital oscilloscope with bandwidth 50 MHz, sample rate 1 gigasample per second, quite big screen, 7 inches, 800 per 400 pixels, 2 channels, connectable to PC or flash disk, very intuitive and very I think logic control panel, not very big. I hope you enjoyed this video.